How can we wake up and not pray? How can we open our eyes and not giving God thanks for the breath of life, the breath that is in our lungs? How can we eat our food that He has provided for us and not whisper a simple prayer? Thank you. How can we walk into work, taking transportation amidst the accident on the road and not thanking Him for traveling mercies? How can we walk to work to earn a living and not pause to praise Him? Praise the one who made it possible. Gratitude should be your first language every morning. Prayer isn't optional. It is necessary. It is necessary. Before we talk to anyone in the morning, it is best to grace the throne of God, thanking Him for His love and His mercies, and ask for His protection for us throughout the days and through the untried week. We ought to be more thankful to God. We ought to give Him more glory. We ought to give Him more praise. He is the one why we are still alive. We could have passed and gone by the cold hands of death, but He is still merciful. I know of this hairdresser that I had. She passed in her sleep. I know of this other lady. She passed away in her sleep. We are still alive. Blood is still running warm in our vein. Give Him thanks. Be grateful. Give Him praise.